Oh, good morning. On this episode of Cooking with Squirrel, we're going to be making a very simple yet elegant hamburger. Let me get changed and we'll get started. Let's get started building this burger. Alright, so we're going to take a pound of ground beef, add it to the bowl, crack 1 egg into it, half a cup of breadcrumbs, going to add some salt, some black pepper, and with our hands we're just going to combine everything together like we were making a meatloaf. Now that it's all combined, we're going to divide it into about 4 equal pieces. This is just a pound of ground beef. Flatten those out into little patties, about 3/4 of an inch thick. Try and get them as consistent as you can. And there's your 4 hamburger patties. Let's go ahead and get these cooked off. Now that our skillet is hot, we're going to add just a little bit of your favorite cooking fat or oil, just to give a little lubrication for these burgers. All we did was give this pan the lightest sheen of oil to help grease those burgers. We're going to go ahead and place our patty in. And we're going to let that cook now until it's to your desired readiness. I can't give you a time as stoves vary. So we've given this burger about 6 minutes. We're going to go, and we have not touched it once this whole time. We're going to go ahead and take it and flip it. And at this time, you can take a slice of whatever your favorite cheese is and place it on top. Alright, so we're going to pull this burger off and let it set aside and rest. And while that's going on, while that burger's resting, we're going to go ahead and throw our bun on to give it a really quick toast. That'll help hold everything really quick. Now that our bun's toasted, we're going to add a slice of onion just for a real quick saute. And we're going to flip that. And we can go ahead and set that on the burger for now. Now we want to deglaze this pan with a little bit of red wine. Now that we've deglazed that, we're going to add just a little bit of beef stock and some demi. Stir this together and reduce until it's thick. Now that our sauce is reduced and is nice and thick, we'll go ahead and plate this burger up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our bottom bun here. We're going to place our burger and onion on top. We're going to take just a little spoonful of this sauce right here and drizzle it over the top. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and place the top bun on. And there you have it. How to make a very simple burger. I hope you have enjoyed watching this as much as I have enjoyed making this. If I can make this in my kitchen, what can you make in yours? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for your time.